Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI to increase sales conversion. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding your target audience. Identify their needs, preferences, and pain points. Use AI tools to gather data on customer behavior and demographics. Analyze the data to create detailed customer personas. Next, implement chatbots on your website. Choose a chatbot platform that aligns with your business goals. Program the chatbot to provide instant responses to common customer inquiries. This will help engage visitors and reduce bounce rates. Utilize AI-driven analytics tools to track customer interactions.
Monitor which products or services attract the most interest.
Assess customer feedback to improve your offerings.
Explore AI-powered personalized marketing solutions.
Segment your email list based on customer behaviors and preferences.
Craft targeted messages that resonate with each segment. A/B test different marketing strategies to gauge effectiveness. This will help you refine your approach and optimize performance.
Integrate AI into your sales process. Use predictive analytics to forecast customer buying behavior. Adjust your sales strategies accordingly for better results. Create dynamic pricing models using AI algorithms.
Adapt prices based on demand, competition, and customer preferences. Leverage social media platforms for AI-driven ad campaigns.
Deploy AI tools to analyze data and optimize your campaigns in real time. Regularly review your sales funnel and identify bottlenecks. Utilize AI to streamline processes and improve conversion rates. Continue to gather data and feedback for ongoing improvements.
Make it a point to stay updated on AI advancements.
Experiment with new tools and techniques as they arise.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.